Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic from English grammar, that is articles. It is chapter 1. Okay? As you all are familiar with articles, you know there are three articles, A and B. But with this video, I am going to explain some interesting uses and articles. So let's begin. First is, what is an article? This is an important question. You have to know about what is article. An article is a word that we use before a noun. So it is clear to you? An article is a word that we use before a noun. For example, you just see the boy, a bee, an apple. See here, boy is a noun and the underlined word the is article. Here, bee is a noun and the underlined word a is article. An apple. Here, apple is a noun and word an is article. So, the words we use before a noun is called article. It is clear to you? Now, you all are getting confused that we know A and D are articles. But where we are going to use these articles? So, let me clear this thing. Today, we are going to study about articles, their categories, their classification and their uses. Is clear? So, first, see the categories of articles. Here, article is divided into two categories, indefinite and definite. Indefinite we use with general things. Here we are going to classify two articles, a or an. Definite, which we use with specific things. Article the we use as a definite article. So it is clear to you? Indefinite and definite. All these three articles are divided into these two categories. A or an, indefinite article, and the is definite article. Now we'll study separately about indefinite article and definite article. First we are going to study about indefinite article. What is indefinite? Indefinite means that is something which is not clear, which is not exact. So the words which is not clear, when we are talking about the things which is not exact, we use indefinite article in front of these words. It is called indefinite. Why it is called indefinite? Because the identity of the thing or person being spoken is left unclear. That means it is not clear, it is not exact. So we call it indefinite. Here, it indicates that the noun is not someone or something in particular. For which noun we are talking in that particular sentence is not clear or is not particular. So we use indefinite article of that noun. Take example, do you have a pen or do you have a pencil? Here the person is asking about a general pen or a general pencil, not a specific pen or specific pencil. So we use here article A. Clear, students? Same the second example you can see, I want to have an apple. That means I want to have a fruit, an apple. Here is no specific category we are talking about which apple or a particular apple. Only apple the person wants. Is clear? When we are talking about the noun which is not specific, which is not particular, which is not clear, then we use article. Which article? Indefinite article. Clear to you all? Now come on, the next topic is definite article, where we are going to use definite article. As you all know, definite article is the. Now come on the topic, what is the meaning of definite? What is the use of definite? See, definite means which is clear, to be clear or to be exact. That means when we are talking about a person or a thing which is clear, which is specific, specific, then we are going to use article the, which is definite article. It is called definite. Why it is called definite? Because it is used in the relation to a particular thing or a person. Because when we are talking about a particular person or particular thing, we are going to use definite article the. Is clear, student? See the example. The cat sat on the couch. That means for which cat we are talking? We are talking about the particular cat who was sat on the couch. That's why which article we are using there? Article the. The dog attacked me and ran away. Here we are talking about the particular dog who attacked on me. That's why which article we are using here? Article the. Is clear to you all? So, you got to understand where we are using the. The is definite article, and when we use it with a specific thing, specific noun when we are talking about a specific person or thing. Is clear? Let me clear this with one example. Suppose take an example like this. I want a pen that I gave you yesterday. Here I am asking about the pen which I gave you yesterday. This particular pen. In the second sentence you see, I want a pen. I want a pen. Here I am asking about any pen. I am not saying that I want the same pen which I gave you yesterday. I am asking any pen. So with same noun, pen, but in both sentences I use different article. In first I use article the, and in another one I use article a. It is clear to you where we are going to use a with general thing and where we are going to use the with specific thing. Got it? Now, important thing is this, uses of article a and the. All the three articles, but their uses are different. Use of a. First we are going to clear the a, where we are going to use article a. Article a we used with singular countable nouns. What is countable? Countable means that we can count. Noun, as you all know, is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, etc. So when we are talking about a countable singular noun, we use article a. For example, a bat, a pencil, a cat. But where we don't use a, we don't use a before uncountable plural nouns. Uncountable that we cannot count. For example, sugar, milk, rice. All these are uncountable nouns. We cannot count them. But if a bag of sugar is there, a bag of rice is there, then we can use article a because we can count them. A bag of sugar, a bag of rice. Got it? When it is an countable thing, then we can use article a. When it is uncountable thing, we don't have to use article a. Got it? See, now the most important thing that you have to remember regarding article a, where we are going to use a, the words, the noun which begin with consonant sound, on which you have to focus sounds. As you know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, in which they are divided into vowels and consonant. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels and rest of 21 letters are consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The sounds produced by vowel, the word which produce vowel sound, we use N. That will come on the second point. But first is A. Where we are going to use A? The words which begin with consonant sound. You have to focus on the sound. Don't see the letter. Don't see the first letter. You have to hear the sound and then you have to recognize it. See the example. A cat. A bird. Here C and in bird B. All are consonant. But see the sound. A cat. cat. When we pronounce cat, which sound is produced? K. That means it is consonant sound. So you have to use A with consonant sound. A house, a bike, rest of example you can see. So got it? Where we are going to use A? The words, those are begins with consonant sound. Is clear to you? Now come on, the next is N. The use of article N. See, the same thing. 2 points are same as we studied in the A. Like N is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. So A and N both we use with singular countable nouns. We don't use with plural uncountable noun. But there is a major differences of vowel sounds and consonant sound. Because A and N both we use for the singular. Then one question is there in your mind. Ma'am will use both for the singular nouns. Then how we can differentiate where we have to use A and where we have to use N? So it is very clear. You have to keep in your mind that A we use with the words begin with consonant sound and N we use with the words begins with vowel sound. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. All these 5 vowels produce vowel sounds and we used article and before them. Is clear? Now come on the example. An apple, an egg. See the sound apple. Which sound is there? Apple. It is a vowel sound. So what article we use here? An. An R. Now you will say, ma'am, H is a consonant. How can we use an here? But you have to focus on the sound. See the pronunciation. An R. H is silent here. The sound is R. That's why it is a vowel sound and we are using an here. Is clear to you? Same confusion is with U. An uncle. An uncle. U. It producing here uncle. A sound of vowel. That's why an is here. But if it is useful, same. It is consonant. A vowel is here. Useful. But the sound is consonant sound. Useful. That's why we use A. Is clear, students? Okay. Now come on the next article. The. It is definite article. And it is very important. See, we use with the. There is no specific rule for singular or plural noun. The is used with all types of nouns, whether it is singular, whether it is plural, whether it is countable or whether it is uncountable. We use the in front of all nouns. It is clear? But what you have to be remember, it should be specific or particular. When we are talking about a particular thing, specific thing, unique things, then we use article the. Got it? Now we can see the examples. Examples are the earth, the world, the air, the weather. Like the is mostly used with the unique things also which are one, like the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, with the holy books, with holy rivers, we used articles the. Now one major thing is that the pronunciation of the is pronounced like 2 types, the and the. Spelling is same, but where we are going to use the and where we are going to the. When the word begins with consonant, we use the, and when the word begin with vowel, we use the. Is clear to you all? So, I think now you all get the articles, their uses and their classification. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.